What is up, YouTube family? This week's video is not going to be like any other video that you've ever seen here on the Bad LSX Garage. This week's video is going to entail life. Life has interrupted the regularly scheduled program. Stick around, stay tuned. Roll the intro. You don't get in a car like this and smile, there's something wrong with you. What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the Bad LSX Garage. As I stated in the beginning, well, life has taken over this week. I'm going to have to do some adulting. Unfortunately, I can't play with toys and do the normal things that we do because, well, there's several things going on. One of them being, well, I've sprung a leak in my house. Now, luckily, we just rent this house, but we do like to maintain it and keep it up as if it is our own. Now, another mess that we got going on, I got a check engine light going on with this, and we need to address this because there's other things going on, and we need this vehicle like ASAP. So I need to check on it today, and then as we go farther into the video, you guys will see what's going on. Life has interrupted our regularly scheduled programming. So first, let's get this check engine light addressed, see what's going on. It could be something simple. I don't know, but we shall see. Power control module abnormal and ABS abnormal. Let's check this. EVAP system, small leak. Typical Jeep nonsense, so not going to worry about that. ABS, anti-lock braking system. Steering angle sensor not initialized. Not sure what that's about. We may have to dig deeper into that, or it could be just low on fluid, because I think this does have just a smidge of a leak in the power steering reservoir. So let me check that out, and then we'll see if that fixes the issue. So it looks as if our power steering fluid is a little bit low, so we shall add some. I do have AC Delco here. I know it's not a General Motors product, it's a Jeep, but power steering fluid is power steering fluid, so we will add just a little bit in here. Looks like there are no more codes. We got that taken care of. Now obviously there'll be another check engine light come on because it's a Jeep thing. If the gas cap light didn't come on, I would worry. So enough with that, we can mark that off the list, but I guess you guys are wanting an explanation now about what's going on, so I guess we should get to it. As you may or may not know, if you watch this channel a lot, that my wife, she owns her own salon. She does hair, she does laser, tattoo removals, hair removal. You do a little bit of everything, right? Yeah. So even though she owns the business, she doesn't own the building that we're in. So, what, 5 years? Mm-hmm. We're going on 5 years at this particular place. She's been a beautician, if that's what you want to call it, for 20 plus years. So it's not like that this has been an ongoing thing or an issue or anything like that. She just wanted to go out on her own, and I pushed her 5 years ago to say, you know, hey, you need to do this instead of being under somebody else. Do it yourself. Well, it's been a battle ever since, especially with this particular landlord. She didn't want to fix anything. She lived out of state, and she would hire people from this area to do a job that they don't even know what they're doing either. They don't want to do it. They don't even want to collect the rent when it's time. It's just a mess pretty much. So apparently something has happened to her. I think she might have passed away. We're not 100% sure, but the building went up for sale. We didn't think anybody'd buy it because there's a lot of things wrong with this building. Somebody did actually buy it. Instead of coming in and asking what was wrong with the place, you know, what actually is going on, talking to the people who are there the most, she came in, measured, and decided that, well, there's probably not enough rent being charged, and well, 3 to 5 year lease. No, that's not going to happen. Now this is an older building. In the back room, it floods, especially if you get a hard rain. There's mud comes in. It does leak from the ceiling. There's major issues with the roof. Plumbing's the biggest thing. Now, if you run a salon, your biggest thing is water. You've got to have water and a place to put the water. And well, it's constantly stopping up. It's constantly a mess, and it's come to the point to where nobody will even come out here to fix it because it can't be fixed. It has to be, it's cast stuff. So it's just busting, it's crumbling in on itself. All of this has came down now to the last couple of weeks of February, and we're having to move. She's decided that she's not gonna do any sort of lease with this chick. They're not willing to fix the problems, so it's time to go. Luckily, I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason. Luckily, when all this started going down, a place came available literally right around the corner from where my wife's shop's at. So right now at this point, life has intervened. There's a bunch of stuff going on that has to be taking place. We have to start moving things. Sinks have to be moved. Water heaters have to be changed. It's just a big, huge mess. And well, either way, I'm gonna take you guys along, and we're gonna document everything. And I know this is not your normally scheduled stuff. This is not Harley Davidson content or Corvette content, but it's life. And you know, here at this channel, that's what we do. Honey, we're home. Hey, it's a newer place, so well, that's what Bath and Body Works fragrances will do. So here you go, fam. This is the new salon. It is a little bit different. It's a little bit smaller in space. We still have to put our sinks and stuff in. Not sure. We've already talked to the plumber. We're thinking about going one here and one here, but there's been a little bit of slight of change. Mama's had some other thoughts. So she's thinking about putting one here and one on the other side. Until we get everything moved in and fixed where we want it, it's kind of hard to say, but this is the little area. You've got a little closet here with your water heater, which it's got a little tiny water heater. Not gonna work. We got to replace that, no biggie. Central heat and air. And then there's a tiny little bathroom, but I mean, you don't need nothing big. And then over here, there's just a little closet. And if you know anything about hairdressers or anything like that, they have to have a closet that has to be lockable, like for their chemicals and stuff like that. That's just what the state board requires for them. So, oh yeah, it looks a lot better with light in here. But yeah, it's fresh, it's different, it's new. She's super excited. It's gonna be a little bit of a struggle here in the next week or two, but it will get done. So, been a couple of weeks now, and my wife's still running out of the salon. Yes, you've seen us move a few little odds and ends here and there. That's stuff that she can live without. That's little knickknacks and little things that we could move here and there that she doesn't work with every day. So it's down now to the crunch. We're starting tonight and tomorrow and the next few days gonna start moving things. I recently just bought a trailer, which it's gonna use as double duty. It's gonna use as, well, not only a motorcycle trailer, but also for moving and doing certain things like this if we need it. But I just wanted to come on here and touch base with y'all just a little bit and show you the whole plumbing ordeal. Now, as you've seen, we had a major leak going on. So put a work order in. A dude came out here, which wasn't one of my good friends, but eventually my good friend did end up coming out here because I had to message him and tell him, the guy that they sent out here is no good. He's off the rails here. So, I mean, I'm no plumber or nothing like that, but I have common sense. And when I tell somebody that, hey, we have a leak going on here, the first thing he done was grab a saw and started cutting right here. Yes, he grabbed a saw and started cutting, not even checking to see if there was any wires or anything going on. So, I mean, I'm not trying to tell on nobody or rat nobody out or nothing, but I immediately messaged my buddy and I said, man, I need you out here because look, this dude don't know what's going on. And I'm not trying to throw the old guy under the bus. You know, he may be an excellent worker doing other things, but plumbing definitely wasn't his thing. So come to find out, it was actually the vanity upstairs. One of the little hoses had pretty much, the copper line had rotted and was dripping just a little bit. And luckily, my other buddy, Sean, he found it out. It's kind of funny. I wish I'd have got it on video, but it drenched him. It soaked him. We got the water turned off, and Wade and Sean both upstairs fixed everything, while the other guy created more work for himself. He actually started working after he cut this. He come back here and then chose to mess with the drain on the bathtub that didn't even have anything to do with what was going on. So yeah, it's just been a big mess. Welcome to Nuwave Salon, Richmond, Kentucky, the new location. So it's totally not fixed completely, but it is close. Got your welcome come in sign, all decorated. Got your coffee bar right here at the door if you need something to drink. In God we trust, and all others pay cash. Absolutely. Cabinets hung up. Had a little issue with that. Actually, I put that up last night, and well, let's just say that I caused the electric to go out. I'm not an electrician, so yeah, there's that. But we got our dryers in, sinks in, all of this area is looking good. Put a little divider up. As we told you, my wife does the whole laser surgery stuff going on, so got a nice little private area back here for getting your tattoo removal or hair, whatever you may need. So very private area. And then you come back here to where the business takes place. Come back here to the actual salon part of it. And yes, we still have a little bit of stuff going on right here, but this is all stuff that's going away. One station, got another station over here. Like I said, look over it. It's still it's not finished. We're gonna put paneling up on this wall and do some little work here and there, but it's presentable. It's a nice place for the ladies to come in and actually relax and be able to enjoy their time. Thank you for sticking around and watching the Bad LSX Garage YouTube channel. I know it's not our regularly scheduled motorcycle content, cars, trucks, but hey, when I started this channel, I told you it would be a wide variety of many different things, and this is many different things, and this is my life, and I'm just documenting my life. So anyways, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, go down there and give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just do it. But that's all we've got for you. Hey, it's been a workout, I can say that. I've worked harder in the past 2-3 weeks than I've worked in a couple of years, to be honest. Anyways, are you ready? You guys ready? Let's do this. Love each and every one of you. You know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace. We're out.